U.S. stocks, they were seeing slight gains late Friday afternoon on the combo of thin trading volume and after the market spent most of the trading session in the red following a weak jobs report which did make the Federal Reserve more hesitant about cutting back its bond buying program in September. Now first on the economic front, the U.S. economy created just 162,000 non-farm payroll jobs during the month of July. This after a downwardly revised 188,000 in June. But the unemployment rate, that fell to 7.4%. In other data, U.S. consumer spending increased 0.5% in June, lifted by automobile purchases and also higher gasoline prices. Personal incomes, they rose 0.3%. June factory orders rising 1.5% after an upwardly revised 3% in May. And with the euro currency firming today against the U.S. dollar and earnings continuing to be released and oil prices slipping for the day but higher for the week, it looked to be quite the interesting finish to not only the trading session but the day as well for the Dow Jones. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has fared this session, the Dow is on the upside. 30.34 points to settle in at 15,658.36. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with cable stocks. This on reports that Cox Communications and Charter Communications held merger talks. Cable stocks, they are on the upside. Tuning over to earnings, oil giant Chevron posting a 26% decline in net income due to lower oil prices and maintenance work at its U.S. refineries. LinkedIn, meanwhile, saw its shares surge following a better-than-expected earnings report and after a number of brokerages continue to hike their price targets on the company. And in other news, Dell's special committee and the buyout group led by Michael Dell reached an agreement that would help clear the passage of the deal. The deal calls for $13.75 per share and a special dividend of 13 cents per share.